All right, remember those archosaurs that I said evolved before the Jurassic mass extinction, and some of them made it through? Some of them were the dinosaurs, right? And others, but dinosaurs were some of them that made it through. Of all of the vertebrates living or extinct, none of them fascinate many of us as much as the dinosaurs. We are very familiar with the dinosaurs. We have movies like Jurassic Park that focus on dinosaurs. Most of the dinosaurs we know of are in modern, everyday pop culture are from the Jurassic and Cretaceous. But dinosaurs also did live in the Triassic. They just tended to be smaller, not the ones that we normally think of by name. Now, we can break the dinosaurs up into two main categories. Those are Saurischia, which translates to lizard hip, and Ornithischia, which translates to bird hip. Now, ironically, and I hope this is not confusing, even though I'm sure it is, ironically, Ornithischia, which means bird hip, is not the ancestor to birds. Instead, Ornithischia, which means lizard hip, is the true ancestor of birds. Right, so keep that little weird switch in mind. Right, so first, we're going to focus on Saurischia. The distinction between Ornithischians and Saurischian dinosaurs is all about the positioning of their hip bones, specifically the pubis. Right? So in Saurischia, the uppermost hip bone, the ilium, is clamped to the spinal column, and then the bones extending downward and backward is the ischium, and the forward extending one is the pubis. Right? So the pubis is what's really important here. The pubis in Saurischians extends forward, kind of towards its abdomen, right, towards its stomach. Additionally, in Saurischian dinosaurs, the teeth extend all along the jaws, or were sometimes confined to just the forward parts of the jaws, but they had lots of teeth. Right? So frontward pointing pubis, lots of teeth in Saurischians. On the other hand, Ornithischians, their pubis pointed backwards. And this allowed for a larger abdominal cavity. So rather than that pubis pointing towards the stomach and kind of taking up space, it pointed away from the stomach, allowing that stomach and abdominal cavity to take up more room. Most Ornithischian dinosaurs lacked teeth in the front of both the upper and lower jaws, and many of them, the jaws actually became kind of sort of like a beak that was used for cropping plant food rather than tearing through meat, things like that.